boys and girls, how we all doing? I've been traipsing through the forest to get you this explore, but as you can see, we're starting with a gorgeous little mini behind us, so let's get into it. No civilization, which is what we like. Streams, prams, everything. But look at this little mini. Man, this is cool. How awesome is that? So it's been here a number of years. I can't even think how the hell they got it here, to be fair. Grills out. Engine still another. It's a problem catching on trees. That's awesome. I love it. See, there's literally stuff everywhere. I'm not sure what's in the trees, what's under the trees. Sorry if it's a bit jumpy, I'm just literally crawling under stuff. Yeah, parts to more cars up there, right, wow. Oh, there's the house, right. Oh, tractor. Oh man, that looks like a Bedford Dormobile or something. CA van. Now I'm getting excited. So Fordson or something. It's parts Morris Minor sort of hood. Stuff everywhere, seat. Just look at that tractor, let's get a bit closer to it. Most respectful way. Not even out yet sitting, but still. Heads off her. I don't know what that is. Is that a Morris Minor? Boys and girls, you let me know.
Tractor's cool.
How awesome is this, bro?
That is
Morris Minor, it looks like, doesn't it?
I don't want to swear, but that is something you can win there.
So Bedford.
In the States, is that? Morris Minor State. Full pickup.
Could well be. This is awesome. So Bedford, I think it is.
Yeah,
love it.
That's definitely Bedford.
Absolutely love it.
Look at the interior.
Still got a.
Look, it's got a bench, a wooden bench in it.
Still got the bench in there. Man, that's awesome. Oh, look at the front end on her.
There's obviously a house.
It's gorgeous. There's my old deer. Oh wow. Hillman Minx, I want to say, top of my head. Is it a Riley? Yeah. It's a Riley, there we go. The blue seats. Man, this is cool.
What is it? Ferguson, did you say?
Riley.
Oh, right.
Look, they look a bit like a Hillman Minx, man, but yeah, Riley Deluxe. Get in through the trees. This is cool. Still smell petrol, can't you? Like oil and petrol, yeah. That's crazy.
This is so tough. Probably would have been someone.
Yeah, this is. Look at that. Man, this is cool. Trying to get a couple of photos, we'll pick this up at the house. Like as many of you know, we've had some really bad weather recently. Just got to show this tree behind me, it's crazy, but there's one part of the house with all the stuff thrown out of it. Look at this tree and the roots on it. Gee, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Absolutely crazy.
I actually, you're right. My nana had one then
TV's like that, you good? There's really trees everywhere.
I hate summer for that reason. But
It's crazy though, this is just sat here, mind all this stuff.
that house is so dangerous, the roof is caving in.
Do you reckon we got around there then?
I don't know.
We are going inside, don't worry. Let's clamber through the trees first. Yeah, it's pretty trashed, isn't it?
Yeah.
don't know if you're going to have a nosy. Was it out the buildings?
Yeah,
Is it a door round that way?
I'm gonna look now. I'm just gonna. Right then, guys. We're around the back. We've come to wood.
We'll bring up the rear.
Everything is all grown. We are free now. And I couldn't be bothered.
I just don't fit under anything. Front door, that's what I was looking for. It's very 70s sort of style. Sorry guys, jumping through, I know. I locked the front door. I gotta walk back around to go through the back. I'm just kidding. Right, here we are, boys and girls, back where we started. See the vehicles from up here as well. Oh, I just don't come in this way in the first place, but nonetheless, get into her. That's what she said. Oh yeah, it's trashed, isn't it? Office. So there's something going on here. Then when I went just a house.
That's what I'm thinking. It was a posh garage. Huh?
It's a bit trash running away. Coal room. So I'm guessing, top of my head, I know people still use it. Majority of coal died out in the 90s. It's got to be abandoned since then. Little Santa Claus, look at that. Look at him. Just sitting there.
That's scary, that is.
Christmas every day.
Young money lies. Aye. There's soon be Christmas in here.
Another Arga. Man, these Argas are gorgeous. Such a shame to leave them just sitting.
Jord.
Yo.
Look above.
Yeah, I ain't up to much, is it?
One gust of wind and that's gone, that is.
There she is. Look, goes in the way. I think that's the stairs.
That was the stairs.
That was the stairs. Could hop up, but to be fair, I don't think there's much up there to see anyway.
I wouldn't trust going
There's
up.
rooms up there.
There's the rooms up there?
Yeah.
Get up there then. Oh,
Look at the door up there, he's only light.
I'm the one that'll bring the house down.
To be fair, you can't make out much at all.
Nah, it's too too
Storm, who was
wrecked
this?
it.
Storm Gareth probably.
Storm Hannah, that's what it was. It's just wet all the way through, and the old wreck up
Yeah,
here.
but it was Storm Gareth as well.
Home sweet home. Right, I'm signing off for this one, guys. I've seen everything I wanted to see. It was the cars that were worth it for me. Absolutely incredible. So, yeah, let's wrap it up there when we're here with all the bottles of whiskey. Well, probably not even whiskey anymore,
I'm
dry
gonna
gin.
be doing the same,
Lovely.
guys.
Kurt's doing the exact same. So,
See you
until
next
next
time.
time, boss out.
Peace.